today is the I letter, I. Okay, we got the capital I and a lowercase I here. Now the capital I can be a word by itself, maybe in a sentence like I am happy. Okay, so this could be a word by itself, this letter. But the sound this letter makes is the I sound. I, 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 I. Make sure you're saying the sound and word along with me, I, at home, so you can practice. Okay, that's a vowel sound, so your mouth is open while you're saying this sound. Okay, so the first word today with the I sound is wind. Okay, wind. W, I, n, d. Wind. W, I, n, d. Wind. Okay, the n and d at the end of wind, they are adjacent consonants, so you blend them quickly together to make that n sound. N. Okay, w, I, n, wind. The wind is strong. Could be a sentence there. Wind. So you put some 4 letters there and 4 sounds. Let's go on to our next word with the I sound, which is itch. 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 Okay, itch. Itch. I have an itch. So here we've got 4 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 letters making how many sounds? Making 2 sounds. Itch. 1, 2. Here we have a trigraph sound, okay? So a trigraph sound is when 3 letters make 1 sound. So the t, k, and h together, that makes the ch sound, okay? Itch, itch. Okay, 4 letters and 2 sounds, okay? So 3 letters making 1 sound there. Itch, itch. Okay, next one we have is inside. Inside. I, n, s, I, d. Inside. I, n, in, s, I, d. Inside. Okay, the E joins the I to make the I sound. Okay, it's a split diagram because it's split between this sound here, the D sound. And the D sound is the last sound we say in this word. Okay, inside, inside. I am inside my house. Sentence there. Okay, so let's go over all of these again. Say it with me at home to practice. I, wind, w, I, n, d, wind. Itch, itch, itch. And inside, inside, inside. Thank you very much for watching today. Please remember to like the video and subscribe as well. It would be great help growing the channel. Also, please share the video and leave a comment as well. Thanks again.